My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Some dear ship, e don finally capsize and the shocking reason don surface for internet. And also, Phyna don come out come make a revelation say she no do surgery for her body. So of recent, Phyna for a recent podcast wey be say she do with Cool FM, she come out come make shocking revelations about the lipo wey people they accuse her of doing a few months ago. So she come and she say she not really do anything, she not work her body, say na only her belle na dey work, say and na press the belle. So as she make that statement, netizens come dey say you dey talk say they do something for your belle, yet you talk say they not work any work for your body. The belle dey different from the body. So make una listen to wetin she talk.
I not do body.
So what do you do?
I just worked on my tummy.
You do body now? Tummy not be body.
No, body now. When the people call
Okay,
they talk they do body now, when they don't do nyash, can't do the oh come on, do surgery.
So what do you do personally?
Now those ones
when they use ubebate, they roll your belly.
Yeah, waistline and
so you know agent for back?
No. I never do one. I never do.
Oh no. You know, I never do. Be like say myself I plan to do.
So you know, say guess like me growing up, I dey always tell myself say it get age picking they reach to do something. So I feel I never reach. Like if I want do now, not be Nigeria.
Okay.
You know?
Why Nigeria will not make sense?
Now why?
But so many of our guests do for Nigeria.
They do, but now why me I say if I want anything what they like do and wear, do and finish.
Okay, so Nigeria guests will not wear the one that they do for Nigeria.
They okay, don't be saying not they okay, but me I just feel say I never reach yet. When I reach, if I run now, and then Nigeria go not say okay, person don't.
So as una don hear am na exactly wetin she talk be that. She say she no do surgery, she no do anything, say she no do nyash, she no do anything. Say the time wey be say she go do, all of us go know. To me, I believe say Phyna dey lie. This one na blatant lie, because you know if you just come and tell us say you no do anything for your body, that her bum the thing no look natural to me. Phyna no get horn for nyash before. All of a sudden the thing shoot out. Now they tell me to say she not do anything. Some people say now because as they do the belle can't go inside. Sometimes if person get big belle, the bum not go big, but when your belle small, the bum come big. All those ones stand story. Phyna work on her body, she might not go under the knife, but there are other ways where we say they do one. So make she not come they lie like that. So onto some matter. Since morning we never hear word. Everybody just dey come at the shout. Some ship don't capsize, they don't find their way. Some people say Angel, she don't waka her life, she dey wait make she do her birthday finish, make she carry shippers money take chop her life. So the thing wey be say be say Angel a few days ago she hang out with her friends for party, a particular guy and two guys actually and one female friend. So but e get one particular guy wey be say just a chingum and all those type of things. Of they do lovey people na come make some shippers vex, come say this girl she don dey date another person. They can't go her page, go dey bombard the page with insult, those type of things. So Angel can start to dey block all the some shippers to the extent say she can't even delete her pictures with Soma from her.
I feel like the one thing that life has taught me is nobody has the autonomy of madness. If you think you're mad, there's someone else madder than you, for sure.
So this na the video of the party where we say she go. As we all know, if una remember for the reunion where we say they do for Shine Your Eyes season that time, yes, if I'm not mistaken. Una remember say you get the time where we say cross the tell Bukato say Angel that person where we say sometimes she go MIA. She no go gree pick call, even her mama go dey find her, all those type of things. So I believe say now wetin just dey go on with her right now. Maybe she just needs space to take hang out with some of her friends. Not be all the time when I go dey see her with Soma all the time. The girl just needs some space. I don't feel say anything there wrong with their relationship. I've gone to their pages and I see say both of them they still they follow each other. So I don't know where all these plenty speculations they come from. So regardless, as the news break, a lot of people come out come give their own reaction. Some people they happy, say the thing done, the ship don't finally spoil. Say after all, two of them they were never serious, those type of thing. To the extent they can't go Angel Mama page, go they insult the woman. So I go first of all read the comments where we say they drop after the news happened, and also the comments where we say they drop for Angel Mama page. So the first person where respond to the news of their breakup, now this person say name now Jermaine. You can't say rent must be paid, supplement must be bought, kayamata must be bought, useless jobless mother must be taken care of. I understand it, JB. This trip, this trip is needed. Thank God Soji is now giving you gigs. Not easy to be a lazy girl. The toto must pay for it. Hashtag Somje. Because the same person no come still come say when you are lazy with zero substance, your private part suffers it. The first thing you do when you meet people is post the interior of their luxury car. Where is your own lazy $1 whore? Another one come the same person na him come say her mother does nothing other than rolling her pierced tongue on Snapchat, wear ridiculous porn and dance rubbish dance on Snap. That is the girl you want to love up on? Girl that can't boast of any career or qualification? Soma, you are a clown. Now remember say Angel talk say she be drop out of school, so that's why this person dey talk say the girl no dey boast of any career or qualification. Na man o na him dey talk all this plenty thing. As hard as this country. Another person come say wetin concern me. The next one say cross scheme is nails is next bunch of clowns. The truth be say me even though say I like some just sheep, Angel no be the easiest person to date to if you really no understand her. That girl dey very hard. Person wey be say go just dey normally, she go just get angry over little conversation, as in little things wey be say conversation go just suppose settle. And she dey very dramatic. I no say reason why blocking all those shippers, all those people, you know, just dey block them up and down. Some of them not even insult her. Yes, some insult her, but some, not be all of them insult her, because I've been to that page and I see say not be all of them insult her. She was just blocking all the shipper. If you be some shipper, she could just block you for there. But as they talk and say there's no smoke without fire, because if you check and where this Pere recent movie premiere wey be saying they do, of recent he invites Angel and Soma to come for the movie premiere, like a meet and greet. And when I check, if you check the two videos, you go see say Soma stay on her own for here and Angel dey on her own for that side. Normally we know that say Angel and Soma, they know they stay out of each other hand, especially when they dey for the same confined area. So the thing dey somehow strange to me, because for the since yesterday where we say Angel drop all those videos, I have not seen Soma post her, and I never even see her post Soma. Soma normally, if you go for his Instagram story, every day go see Angel for there, every day and Angel. So it can't just be as if this news where we say with the yes, so not true. We could just see wetin people go talk for Angel mama page where make the woman come first. So the woman come as they tag her, because they come they tag her, they tag the Titilala or something like that. That be her name. Just call her Titi. So she can't say, please, nobody should tag me on anything stupid. I'm just here minding the business that pays me and staying out of trouble. Do not tag me to your drama. Thank you. People where they tag Angel mama, na Angel mama won't go settle the quarrel. If true quarrel dey between Angel and Soma. Dollar door high, nobody they talk about that one. People relationship. Now some people just they wait, make it spoil, make they happy, make they laugh. Well, me I no hold anything against both of them. If the relationship not work out, it not work out. I not get any right to laugh them, because my life not dey perfect. So nobody get a perfect life. And wetin be that ship? Imaro's ship fit spoil. Neo and Viv ship. You now remember the way Neo they buy hair that time full inside motor for V. If all those ones fit spoil, now some just ship now not go spoil. Everybody rest. I beg, leave them, give them breathing space. I'ma take care on a bye.